Hello everybody, today we're solving a 46th problem from LeetCode, it's permutations, and as we remember from this, the permutation formula equals n in factorial, and the factorial is the numbers that go from the beginning to the numbers that we have declared. So for example, that formula means here, and n multiply n and n to the end, to the total n that we have. For example, 3 factorial is equals 1 multiplied 2 multiplied 3, it's equals 6. And now based on our array that we see in our problem, we have 6 ways to rearrange these numbers within the array, because if we have only 3 numbers, and that means we have the 6 permutations here. So now let's see what we can do in the code and how we can solve our problem. So the first of all that we can do is a create function that will add all numbers to the end of the array. So let's create it, and it will be our void function, and we can call like generate permutation, and we can use our vector array in our nums. So vector, and it's in function nums, and we can create a variable start, which will be our key for equaling to the array numbers, and use another function to push back all of our numbers and return this number to the end of the array. So let's create that in start, and we can create a vector array that can save our results in the end of our program, and it will be int fun type of function, and results. So let's check if it starts from the zero, for example. We can see, and we can say that it's equals our size of the array. And save our results in our vector of results and push back that to say that we move that to the end of the array nums, and return it. And after that we need to create the loop that can get through all possible permutation. It's for int y equals start, and we can go through our array and count them, and I++, and we can swap it. Why? Because of we checked it from the first elements of array, it's 0, it's like that we see 1 2 3, and the first element of array, it will be our key, it's the first one, and we can choose it from 3 to 2, and of course as we see in first example 1 2 3, it will be a first our permutation, and another one to 2 and to 3, and nums start and nums of that loop, and we use our function to just say it, we needed to move it to the end of our array and nums. And of course we use tilde +1 to move that to the next elements of array +1 and result and swap nums start and nums_y. And the end of that, we use our last function, main function, like if we can say like that, to save our results in a total. Result and generate perm nums and 0 and result we use 0 to say that we can use it in the medium of our. Of course we can return it. And that's all. And here we are. That's all accepted. I mean, we can submit it and see what kind of annotations that we have here. So that's all. Thank you very much.